Hello everyone, so I didn't vlog all day today. What did I do today? I had another class and it was a really good class and I got my costume. Oh, I should show you my costume. Okay. So these are my costume sets. So this is my Adventureland one. I'll post a picture right here. This one is my other one for Adventureland. No, something like that. Just another costume. These are my jackets and stuff. But we have some of the girls here. We are having a little taco night. Here's Jasmine. And here's Reagan. Hello. And Emily. So we got the taco meat.
I don't understand.
And then, what's 80 minutes?
Peter Pan.
I don't understand either.
And you've like either praise fireworks shows.
Yeah, so we're having taco night. Oh, the reason why we're having taco night is because, okay, me and Megan, we're from Oregon. If you don't know, Tillamook is our, is this ready? Take it out?
I want to hear the
Okay.
story. I didn't know that there was a reason behind this taco night.
So Tillamook, Oregon is like kind of nearby the beach, and it's like known for the cheese because that's where their Tillamook factory is. And so Tillamook cheese.
Smells bad because there's cows.
Oh yeah.
It smells really bad.
Yeah, and her parents sent Tillamook cheese, so that's why we're eating taco night because fresh cheese.
Yeah.
So, yeah. That doesn't look really appealing, but I promise you it's
They
so
have no
good.
grater, so it's their fault.
Yeah. Oh, and then we also got cookies. Yummy cookies.
Should we?
Yeah. Yeah. We're watching The Lion King, my favorite movie. But like I said, I can't watch it when Mufasa dies. But Megan and Justine are here. Yay! We're gonna eat tacos now. Taco night, taco night, taco night. Yay! I'm excited. Everyone, so today is a new day. It's like totally the evening because today I had my Disney Heritage class and I didn't do anything else. But I'm with Jasmine and Megan at Magic Kingdom and we're gonna meet Mickey, Magician Mickey. I'm very excited because this is the one where he like talks to you.
I think so.
I'm a little bit nervous for that.
For asking.
Good. Hi, Mickey.
Hiya, pal. I was hoping you'd stop by. Could I sign that for you?
Yes.
You got it.
I'll take the cap off. I got Princess Jasmine and Aladdin to sign mine too.
Aww. M-I-C-K-E-Y, M-O-U-S-E.
Thank you.
There you go.
Yay.
You know,
Okay.
it sure is nice of you to come see me.
It's nice of you to be
So tell me,
here.
where are you from?
I'm from Oregon.
Did you drive or fly?
I flew. Yeah.
You flew?
Yes.
Gosh, are your arms tired?
Yes.
But seriously, I'd love to get a photo with you.
I would love
What
that
do
too.
you say?
Can we all do a photo?
All right. That was so weird. Oh, so we're riding on Mine Train right now. This is the first time. Yay, I'm so excited. I don't know what I'm doing.
You can actually like the shape.
Oh, the shape. Oh, this. Oh. Okay, this is what holds up the look. Oh my god, it's so cool! Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh!
With a sugar taking a bite. I hope
we go. Oh my god! I'm so slow right now. Guys, this is a nightmare. Oh my god. She's so creepy. We got off the mine train. I actually really like it. That was really fun. But right now we're going to go on Big Thunder Railroad. So let's go. Oh my god. Right now, and little tip, Pirates here in Orlando, it's a really short line at nighttime. It's usually just a walk around normally, so. Oh, I can't even see anything. I can see witches anytime I want, but we're gonna go get Space Mountain right now. So cool! Okay, yeah, we're gonna go on Space Mountain right now because we got a fast pass for it. But this is Megan's home! Here! Tamana Land. It's like 10 o'clock and we got kind of a lot done, which is really nice. So right now, please excuse my hair, but yeah. This mountain is so empty. Super empty. That's crazy. When does this ever happen? Ooh. So we just finished Space Mountain and it was okay. I don't remember it being like that, but we're gonna go again because there's like basically no wait for it, and we also have a fast pass now. Okay, so we got some food at Cosmic's Rays. I was just here like not too long ago too, but I got chicken nuggets. I always get chicken nuggets and the kids meal. Don't judge me.